Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ryan and today we're gonna do a jive solo piece. So let's get into it. So today we're gonna start with our shoulder taps. Now the shoulder taps usually are danced with a partner, but we're gonna go from the leader's perspective on this and we're gonna pretend that we're shoulder tapping, but we're not going to be because the step is cool. What does the step look like? I'll show you right now. So we're gonna go into our rock step. So we're gonna do a step replace. Now normally what you would do is you'd shoulder tap your partner, they'll shoulder tap you, you'll shoulder tap your partner, they shoulder tap you, and then we're kind of back into that initial position. Now since we don't have a partner, we're not gonna be, I mean you can if you want to, but what I would normally do is I would kind of just stylize it for me doing a triple step kind of in a box. So what's that gonna look like? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. So we're gonna do a rock step. We're gonna go step, replace. I'm gonna open up my right shoulder and go to the left. Ba, ba, da. Now I'm gonna open up my left shoulder, go to the right. Ba, ba, da. Right shoulder to the left. Da, da, da. Left shoulder to the right. Ba, ba, da. Okay, one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here we're gonna do a runaway throwaway, but this is from the guy's perspective, so we're not running or anything, we're just throwing really air. We're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. And what I wanted to do was actually put in a bit of a wave, kind of get a little flowy, a little funky. So what is that gonna look like? After we did our 3, 4, we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you've never done the wave before, my tip to you guys is always start with your head. So we can always do it a little bit slight. So if you guys can just do like a little bit of a head up, chest up, stomach up, and then bring it back in, that works. If you just want to do a little bit of a out in, because you can't do the wave, that's fine too. Actually, it's pretty cool too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of like an out, in. All right, let's do this one more time from the shoulder taps. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave through 7, 8. Excellent. Now from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into kicks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, one more time. We're here, we're facing diagonal to the left. We're gonna use our right leg and kick to the left, kick to the right, kick to the left, kick to the right. Now with these kicks, I love to use some counterbalance. It gives a little bit more of a 3D kind of look to it. Doesn't look as flat. We're gonna go ba-bum, ba-da, ba-bum, ba-da, ba-dum, ba-da, ba-dum, ba-da. All right, let's do it again from the top. Here we go. And 1, 2, open my shoulder, open my shoulder, step, wave, out, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. Great, let's do it to counts. Here we go. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're gonna go into a kickball change. So we just finished onto our left foot. We're gonna kick with our right, ball change. Kick with the right, ball change. Kick with the right, ball change. One more time, here we go. And kick, ball change, kick, ball change. Now we're gonna go with our right leg, left, right, sailor shuffle. And ba, 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 ba. Double kick, ball change with the left leg. Kick, ball change, kick, kick, ball change, left leg, right, left, sailor shuffle, ba, ba, da, da, da. If we were to go from those kicks after that wave, what is that gonna look like? Very slowly. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, from here, we're gonna do a step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick. Basically, 4 kicks in a circle, all right? So, I'm going into it. We just finished our last sailor shuffle, ba, 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 da, da, da. Sorry, other leg, da, da, da. Now we're gonna go cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, kick, cross, kick. One more time. We finished our sailor shuffle, la, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Here we go. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're finishing off on our left leg, right leg to the side. We're going to do 2 more sailor shuffles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to go into our sweep kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Sweep kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm actually going to face you guys for this one just so you guys can see what the leg's doing. So, I basically take my knee, take it in, take it out, take it in, take it out. That's really all it is. You let the leg follow through with you. You don't have to tense anything, so it's kind of be like boom, 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 boom. It's just a brush kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go from those cross kicks. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 sailor shuffles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brush, 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 tap. Brush, 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 tap. Okay, let's go from the very beginning and combine all these steps together. All right, here we go. Starting from the rock step, we're going 1, 2, open the shoulder, open the shoulder, open the shoulder, open the shoulder. Thumb, thumb. We're gonna wave on the 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball change. Kick, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball change. Kick, ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross kick, cross kick, cross kick, cross kick. Sailor shuffle, brush, 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 step. You think we got it? Great. That is our little routine. What we're going to try to do now is we're going to try to music and with counts, and we're going to see how we do. All right? Let's give it a go. All right, guys, here we go. A 5, 6, 7, go, rock, step. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, wave. Kick. Kick will change, a 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and restart. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, so that was our little solo jive routine. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and catch you guys next time.